Howdy, everybody. At work today at the good old Sagebrush Hotel. And look at this. I guess y'all know what that means. That means there was problems. And get us turned around here. We had that, and this one got changed. Let's see here. Ugh, that used to be in its place, and look at that. It just started rotting on its own and leaking. There wasn't going to be any tightening it and fixing it, so it got replaced. And man, that's kind of embarrassing, because this has got a lot of my signatures all over it. Everything except that. I didn't do the plumbing, because I don't do plumbing, really. I mean, toilets and things, yeah, sure, but I don't ever want to have to come back in the wall and fix it because it's leaking. I don't like my name being on that. So now we get to put some sheetrock. Already got my hole cut out for the outlet. And I got to hang this sheetrock, mud it, texture it, paint it. Got a whole nother today and tomorrow. That's like 3 days because of that. So anyways, I just wanted to give y'all a little update. And instead of doing this all, trying to get all this thing in here in all one shot, see, I left my corner bead on. That was on purpose. And I can sneak this piece of plywood back inside there. I've got it all cleaned out, really nice. So I didn't have to replace the corner bead. But I do have to get the sheetrock in that over this. And in this corner, I didn't want to take the baseboard off, so I got to get behind that too, or inside of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the big piece and I'm going to stick it in there, fit it over that, nail it down, and then I can take the smaller piece and shove it in the corner, and then I can just push this piece right in and we'll be good. I guess after I fix that. How come that doesn't fit? There was a 4-foot sheet on here in the first place. This is only a 4-foot sheet. That's not a big deal. That's why I have, here's a recommendation for everybody that does anything like this. I don't have any sheetrock sanding or whatever tools. Ferriers Rasp. This is for your horse's feet, for shaping and filing. It's got a rough side and a not so rough side. It works really good on wood too. So you can remove some sheetrock with one of these things pretty quick. That's why it's all got white and rusty residue all over it, because that's all pretty much that's sheetrock that's just embedded itself in there. But anyways, this is man, Ferriers Rasp. They're the coolest things ever, man. You can shape anything with it. So anyways, that's what I get to do today. What are y'all gonna do today? Leave some comments on that. We'll see you guys later. Y'all have a great day.